you want to shape your bushy brows and still maintain fullness without removing all your eyebrow hair? Then make sure you watch this video to the end. Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's Marvie here. If you are new to this channel, a round of applause for you. Kindly subscribe for more beauty content. Let's get right into it. I'll start by cleaning my brows with baby wipes to remove dirt and product buildup. You don't want to carve your brows when there are different products on your skin. Next, I'll brush my brows upwards using a spoolie brush. Emphasis on upwards. This helps straighten the brow hairs and prevents clumping, making it easy to get a clean shape. Now I'm going in with a facial blade. You can use any one you have. Make sure the blade is facing downwards as shown in the video. Use one hand to gently lift the skin upwards and then carve a line under the brows to remove excess hairs at the base. Using light thin strokes, gently carve the base of your brows while removing the unwanted hairs. Remember to brush and carve until you get a clean base. Always be gentle and take your time. Next, I'll brush the brow hairs downwards to remove excess length. Now, following the same carved line at the base, gently remove extra length to ensure the brows look even and well distributed. At this stage, make sure the blade is still facing downwards and work carefully. Do not forget to brush and carve, brush and carve. Carving your brows requires a lot of patience, so you have to be very patient with your brows. Do not forget to go in with feathery strokes, light strokes. Do not force it. Now I'll brush the brows upwards again to shape the top layer. This time the facial blade should face upwards. This helps to prevent removing too much hair by mistake. Using light thin strokes, gently carve the top of the brows, removing only unwanted hairs and being extra careful of the edges. Do not forget to brush and carve, brush and carve, brush and carve. Once done, you can remove any stray hairs around the brows that don't match the shape. You will know the brows are fully carved when the hairs sit neatly within the brow parameter with no scattered hair around. Now I'll repeat the same steps on my second eyebrows. Watch closely. At the end, I will use a face wipe to clean off any loose hair, and that's it. Perfect, clean and well-shaped brows. If you found this useful, please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.